Video I posted a little over a year ago, I was on my way to see a Scamp for the first time, and in this video I am taking you on my road trip to actually purchase a Scamp. We're going to stop in Chicago first, followed by, I believe, Madison, Wisconsin, then Mall of America, then we're going to head up to Backus, Minnesota with Jamie, same person as last time. I'll document a little bit of each spot, and I'll obviously document the actual tour of the Scamp, which I guess a lot of people like to see that. So we'll see you when we're in Chicago. This is a quick tour at the Silversmith Hotel of our deluxe king room. If you want to come forward, a king bed with a nice heavy blanket on top. We got the TV here, and this is our view out the window. Not much of a view, but if you look up, it's kind of rustic looking. If you head over here, is a Keurig machine with K-cups that are included with your room. There's a mini fridge. Want to follow me to the bathroom? You have yourself a pretty cool lit mirror, accented mirror, as well as a walk-in shower here. And it looks like they just refill bottles of, it looks to be premium molten brown London brand. I'll have to Google that to find out how premium it is. But look down here, there's some nice towels. There's saw, a closet over here. Let's check out the lobby. We saw the Bean. It was right outside of our hotel practically. From the Bean, we went to the Riverwalk area, which was very pretty. It was still dyed green because we arrived in March, and it was right around St. Patrick's Day. Garrett mix from Garrett Popcorn. It's caramel and cheese popcorn. I'm gonna take this back to the hotel and eat it. How is it?
Good so far.
The next morning we went to Stan's Donuts and got a donut and ate it right outside the Bean. It was nice.
I fancy soup. I so badly want to steal you, but you're attached to the wall.
After we checked out of the hotel, we took a quick walk over to the Willis Tower, formerly the Sears Tower, and then we got out of Chicago. And I will make another video of our adventures in Madison, Wisconsin, my favorite little city ever. Until next time, please comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me as I go toward my ultimate goal of getting my beloved Scamp.